Hello, it's nature time, and today we are doing a little jungle walk here on the Rasa Ria Resort. I hope it's gonna be good. 2 hours of walking. Let's see what they have to offer us. We are 1 minute into the tour and we saw our first snake, Borneo tree snake. Deadly dangerous. I wonder what I signed up for. This is such a dangerous island. Two minutes into the hike, we are told to watch out for spitting cobras and king cobras and all these wild animals. I hate Borneo. Behind me you can see a suspended bridge, an ancient Malaysian way to cross the rainforest. Oh, there's a bug sitting here, I have to finish. Seven minutes into the tour. The forest is full of snakes, tarantulas, steep climbing. It's freaky, it's 3000 degrees here. It's the hardest thing my wife ever signed me up for. It takes about half an hour to the top. It's a horrible hike, so if you're not fit, you should make sure you are fit before you start. You can see a lot of animals down there, as I showed you. Mainly snakes, which is horrible as well. But if you are reaching the top, which is approximately 100 meters high, you feel like you have an insane malaria fever, but you have that great view of Borneo Island. And I must say, all the negativeness away, I recommend it. Just do it, just do it. Down there in that little pond, this is the place where the king cobra brings their victims after killing them, putting them into the water for cool storage, and then it's eating them during a hard time. It's the most dangerous forest I've ever visited. Just want to go home. So that was the whole hike through the wildlife area, which belongs to the hotel. You can look at me now, I'm completely wet, I'm completely soaked. So that gives you an idea that you should be a little bit fitter to do that. We have seen a couple of snakes, spiders and all that thing which you would expect from a rainforest. As said before, do it, it's not bad. We went to the Kota Kinabalu waterfront for our dinner. We have a couple of restaurants which you can choose from. We decided on a Thai restaurant and we got a pretty authentic food. What I would recommend to you, the moment you arrive, order as quickly as you can. the food is very aromatic, and it will be overpower the stench which is coming from the harbor, and maybe the music overpowers the noise of that emergency going on there. But I must say, what we got is a really authentic food. Oh, it's hot. And a cool beer to get it down. Oh, it's that hot. We need more eggs. The Kota Kinabalu night market is the right things to get your shoppings done. If you want to have an aromatic dinner, or if you just want to have a strange smell in your nose, then then you should come here and have a look at all the good things. It's really exotic. Not only what you see, also the smell, especially for the nose. It's challenging, but I like it.